to add negative keywords, are you referring to this campaign for smart campaigns? You can't. This is all you need to do. You just let Google run and see how it goes and what you want to get. But with regards to creating negative keywords for search campaigns, absolutely you must put them in. And depending on your campaign structure, whether you are running or setting up negative keywords at account level, campaign level, or ad group level. What you can also do is set up a negative keyword list by going into your tools and settings, negative keywords, and then you can create one for, let's say, account. I call it account negatives. You just need to put in a keyword to save it. And then you can apply this to every time you create a new campaign. Boom, it's all applied to all of these campaigns now in one go. And every time you create a new or add a new keyword, a negative keyword, you add it to this list, and it's going to apply to all the campaigns wherever this list is linked to.